If you've been looking into estate planning in Georgia, you've probably heard about living trusts. But the real question most people have is this: do I actually need one? The answer is, it depends. A living trust can be a powerful tool, but it's not necessary for everyone. The key is understanding when it makes sense and when it may not. A living trust is a legal structure that allows you to hold and manage your assets during your lifetime, and then pass them on to your beneficiaries without going through probate. In Georgia, avoiding probate is one of the main reasons people consider using a trust. So when does a living trust make sense? First, if you want to avoid probate. Probate in Georgia is not always overly complicated, but it can still take time, involve court filings, and create delays in getting assets to your family. A properly funded trust allows those assets to pass outside of probate, often more efficiently and privately. Second, if you own real estate, especially in multiple states. Without a trust, your family may have to deal with probate proceedings in more than one state. A trust can simplify that significantly. Third, if you want to keep things private. Probate is a public process, which means the details of your estate can become part of the public record. A trust, on the other hand, is generally private. Fourth, if you want to make things easier for your family, a trust can provide clear instructions and streamline the process of managing and distributing assets, which can reduce stress during an already difficult time. Fifth, if you want more control over how and when assets are distributed. For example, if you have younger beneficiaries or want to stagger distributions over time, a trust can help accomplish that. But it's also important to understand when a living trust may not be necessary. If your situation is relatively simple, you may be able to accomplish your goals with a well-structured will and beneficiary designations. In Georgia, certain assets can pass outside of probate without a trust, such as accounts with named beneficiaries or jointly owned property. Also, a trust only works if it's properly funded. That means retitling assets into the name of the trust. If that step is skipped, those assets may still wind up going through probate. For many people, the decision comes down to balancing simplicity, cost, and long-term goals. A trust can be a very effective tool, but it's just one part of an overall estate plan. If you want a simple way to get organized before deciding what makes sense for you, you can find step-by-step guidance and a free estate planning starter workbook using the link in the description or on this page.